red skies tranquil after the storm.
Bless the shadow, turning, winding, always night follows day.
The sun will shine again.
Walk on, never look back. Through you we live.
Tales of loss and fire and faith. Every word on our hearts engraved. In the dark you will not stray. Forge ahead till the end we pray.
You're the best, Meow Meow. Glad to have you as my Kamiyoshi, and forever will. Take care and love you forever. Also, you too, Lucy. It's your anniversary too. Love you more.
Happy birthday, Millie. Thank you for always being a beacon of light to us, both in tough times and happy times. I hope that many more happy days are ahead of you. Please always take care. We love you very much, and may you always walk in the light of the crystal.
You got this, Millie! You got this! Kaya mo yan, Millie! Kaya mo yan!
Happy birthday, Millie. I hope you're enjoying your birthday. Thank you for being our laughter. Thank you for the moments where you show your vulnerability, your kindness, and your strength to hold on things despite how tired you are. You still give your best. I hope you continue your journey as a VTuber until you get old. Charot. Anyways, happy birthday again. I love you, Mwah.